In our ever-evolving world, the significance of home security has reached unprecedented levels. Presenting Eufy SoloCam S40. Welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept render. This is Enoylity technology, and before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date. Talking about the camera, enhanced dual camera clarity at 50 feet. Imagine capturing every event that occurs around your home in ultra-clear 3K resolution. As you open up the box, we get to see the camera with the solar panel, mount, camera mount, USB-C cable, screw pack, and quick start guide. With this state-of-the-art home security camera, you can do just that. Whether it's a potential intruder or simply keeping an eye on your property, this camera allows you to see exactly who is approaching your home with 8x zoom. With this level of clarity, you can easily see faces and read license plates clearly from up to 50 feet away. Now you can know who's coming before they even reach your doorstep. Solar powered, install once, and it runs forever. Constant peace of mind is now possible with this solar powered security camera. Installation is a breeze, and the camera remains operational thanks to its removable solar panel. Just 2 hours of direct sunlight daily is enough to keep the security camera continuously powered. Say goodbye to the hassle of changing batteries or worrying about power outages. With solar power, your security camera will always be ready to protect your home. 360-degree Guardian. No blind spots home security should cover every angle, and that's precisely what the solar-powered dual camera system offers. This pan and tilt home camera provides complete 360-degree surveillance with no blind spots. You can check your front porch, monitor your backyard, and keep an eye on the driveway with ease. With this comprehensive coverage, your home will be truly secure, and you'll never miss a thing. You can have a two-way communication with guests, even while staying away. Also, this is built to last and holds up to a range of extreme weather conditions without missing any moment. Experience dual views for ultimate surveillance. This advanced system allows you to see the big picture while also zooming in on crucial details, all one frame. Whether you need an overview of your entire property or want to focus on a specific area, the Dual Views offers the ultimate surveillance experience. It's like having multiple cameras in one, making sure you don't miss a single detail. Local storage. No monthly fee unlike many other home security systems. The solar-powered dual camera system offers local storage with no ongoing cost. With 8 GB of storage, your recordings are stored on your device. Plus, the Homebase S380 enables expandable storage, and Bionic Mind technology is in place to analyze and recognize what happens at home. With the Eufy Security App, you can see what's going on in real time and never be in the dark about your home security. Set predefined positions to monitor what matters most to you. With the Eufy Security App, see what's going on in real time. Never be in the dark about your home security. 5-minute installation with compact size and wire-free design. One of the standout features of this innovative home security system is its ease of installation. In just 5 minutes, you can have it up and running. Its compact size and wire-free design make it a hassle-free addition to your home. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, you'll appreciate the simplicity of setting up a system that works effortlessly to keep you safe. In conclusion, the solar-powered dual camera system is a game changer in the world of home security. It combines the clarity of high-resolution imaging, the convenience of solar power, 360-degree surveillance, and the flexibility of dual views, all without the burden of monthly fees. Keeping your home safe has never been this advanced and accessible. If you find this video helpful, press that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comments section. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.